other thing, right? It doesn't have to be the same. They're solvable. Doesn't mean they have to be solvable in the same way.
Right.
So say n equals 0. We're trying to show that that implies that L is solvable. Ooh, interesting. So his starting point is, he's like, here's what he says. He says L mod I, the kth derived series of that, right, is equal to, what is it equal to? It's equal to L of k, the kth derived series of L plus I mod I. Yeah, I don't see right off why that's. I mean, I understand that L mod I. You've come to an understanding, just kind of like intuitively, why that should be true.
I'm still trying to think it through it.
Let's see here. So L mod I are things like, it's basically set x plus I such that x is an L, right? And then, so the kth derived series of that is something like, I mean, here's an awful notation for it. It's it's quite awful, isn't it?
Are you doing x plus I, comma y plus I?
Yeah. Well, but it's not that.
Yeah.
It's bracket, 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 dot, 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 dot. Well, let's just say that it's.
You can say that because it's the set.
Let's say that it's x plus.
The y.
Ugh, stink. It's. Sorry, I'm thinking. I believe it would be x plus. No. Of course, this is the you know Li k minus 1, right? L mod I k minus 1. Sorry, I'm getting another page. So we're trying to understand why on earth L mod I to the k is equal to L k plus I mod I. I'm going to start with k equals 1, like a civilized human being, see if I can't understand that, and then we'll go on from there. So in other words, why is L mod I prime equal to L prime plus I mod I, right? So in here we have things like brackets of x plus I with y plus I, right? In here I have things like bracket of x plus I comma y plus I. That's a typical thing in L prime plus I. Plus I.
Yeah.
Oh, this isn't right either. This this is just L mod I.
Yeah.
It's that prime, right?
Yeah.
Which actually makes this stuff like bracket of x plus I, y plus I, with z plus I, delta, whatever. Right?
Yeah.
Which, if you think about that, is basically the bracket of xy plus I with z delta plus I, which is the bracket of x, y with the bracket of z delta plus I. So these are twice bracketed things. Man. This is just the time in the day where I don't understand stuff. Curses. Alright, I'm gonna stop this right here and then we'll start it again when I understand. We'll save her the pain of watching this.